Okay, everybody, today we're going to talk about two methods, drop and drop while, which I think are probably the least useful methods that are on the enumerable object in Ruby. But that being said, let's at least see how they work. So we're going to create an array of numbers 1 through 10. So let's do that. X equals, and we'll give it a range 1 to 10. And then x, so we're going to say our array equals x.2a. Alright, cool. Now, as you can see, it doesn't include 10, but that's not really going to matter for this. So we'll say x, excuse me, just got done doing this. Okay, so ARR, that's our array, 1 to 10. So here's what drop does. Drop 3. Let's say drop 3, right? It drops the first 3 elements out of our array and returns what's left. So I guess really the only use case is like, hey, I want to get rid of the first, 5 elements, or I know I want to get rid of half the elements that I have by doing something like, r.size divide by 2. I mean, like I said, there's not really a whole lot of a use case for this. We'll also check out drop while though. So if you say drop while, then you can feed it a condition. So a, that's going to be the element that we've got. So we'll say if a is less than 5, then we'll drop it. And as you'll see, it returns us everything that's above 5. So, but that only works up to the number that it reaches. So it's not something that iterates through every element. It iterates through every element while it's true and drops that element. But as soon as that's false, it stops. So, like I said, this is not something that has, a super practical purpose, at least in my experience. But still useful to know about anyway.